It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook. Welcome back. And today we are doing a delicious chopped cheese sandwich. So meet me at the prep table and let's get this chopped cheese sandwich started. Let's get the core out of there. Just make a little V shape. There it is. This is our lettuce. That's what you want it like, shredded lettuce. All right, now let's just get our Roman slice. That boy juicy, look at that. There we go. And this is what we're looking like. That's what we want. Some salt and pepper on these tomatoes here. Make sure the boy is seasoned. Just go down the middle. You don't want to go all the way through. Kind of peel it back. Press them down. Make sure they're bam. That's what we want right there. Bam. Let's get this meat on the heat, baby. But we want to throw our onions down. Let's go ahead and get them all in now. Meat on top of it. Just smash it down. Everything, get to cooking. And remember guys, as always, measurements and the ingredients are always in the description. Alright, and now we're just going to season our meat. Just plain old salt and pepper. Plain old salt and pepper. We just enhancing the flavor, we're not changing the flavor of it. We're just enhancing it. Salt, black pepper. There we go right there. All right, let's go ahead and start getting our meat broke up. As you can see, our meat is almost done. Cooked about another 2 or 3 minutes. So I got slices of American, 4 slices. More if I need it. I like a little cheesy, so there we go. Just slide that up right there. There we go. And we're just gonna remove that from the heat, allow it to melt. Alright, let's go ahead and get these buns toasted. First of all, let's drop us a little butter in now. I got some unsalted butter right here. Just gonna grease the bottom of that. Let's get this first one down. Some on the top, bottom. Open that boy up. There we go. Got to just put a little pressure on it. All right, let's check our bun, see where we at. Oh yeah, that's what we're looking for. Let's get it top of toast a little bit. I'll go ahead and turn my heat off. Now it's time to build this sandwich. Some almonds right here. There we go. And I mean, you can put as much as you like, as little as you like. Like I say over here, we cook it our way. So however you like to do it. Bam. There we go. Let's get some more now. Gotta make it good, y'all. You gotta make it good. Got lettuce on this top bun. As such. That's the chopped cheese sandwich, y'all. Look at it now. Yeah. Chopped cheese. That boy can cook. Now let's plate this up, make it look pretty, and we're gonna be all done with this delicious recipe. Yeah. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. If you liked it, if you enjoyed it, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, that comment button, that notification bell. That way you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. Now let's see what we did. You know we gotta taste it. You know we gotta taste it. It's that delicious chopped cheese sandwich. Yeah. Let's bite into that boy. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. I'm about to go eat this sandwich right here. Till the next time, out the place, out the space, that boy can cook. I'm gone.